You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new Patek, I had the white, so I two-toned them.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Yaya's Corner. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys me reverting my straight hair back to curly using rice water. Basically, rice water is really good. You can use it as like protein treatment. You can use it to strengthen your hair, and it also does help with reversing heat damage on your hair. So I'm going to basically use this to revert my straight hair back to curly so it has a better chance of bouncing back. So if you guys aren't already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post a new video, and let's get straight into this. So I do have my fresh batch of rice water that I made, and I did use jasmine rice. And I did let it ferment for 24 hours. So this is my straight hair. It has like a ton of gel in it and all types of stuff. So yeah, and you guys basically get to see how long it got. I cannot talk today. I did do a video on how my hair was after I straightened my hair after using rice water. Am I making any sense right now? So I'm kind of nervous because usually I like to just wash my hair with an actual shampoo that has sulfate in it, and then that basically helps me get out any gel product I use to straighten my hair. That really helps to break it down, get that out so I can see my curl pattern better. And I usually always follow up with a protein treatment, like a protein mask, but today I'm just gonna spray this and see what happens. All right, let's get started. Back section, rice water. I'm nervous, and I hope I made enough rice water. I feel like I'm still gonna need I feel like maybe I should have shampooed first and then spread this on. I don't feel like it's just gonna bounce back and revert with just this. Like, my hair, I feel like has so much product on it. What if I wet the whole hair first, then apply rice water? I don't know. Is this gonna be a fail? I really don't know. Hold on. Okay, so in this bottle, I have regular water as well, because I want to see. Because I don't want to use all the rice water, just continuously spraying it on one section to see if it'll revert. I'm going to use some actual water so it can be more saturated. Because I don't want to saturate as much water as I'm doing right now with rice water. I feel like I should definitely probably actually shampoo. Nothing's happening. Let's do another section. I feel like nothing's going to happen. Will rice water by itself help my curls revert? Or should I shampoo my hair then try to revert it? This is the regular water. I'm getting water all over my thing. And this is the rice water. I feel like even for like a pre-treatment for reverting your curls back curly, this could help, because like the rice water is gonna help like bond the hair, and then you could shampoo and you would see even like more bouncier curls. Y'all, we are not reverting so far. I don't know how long I'm gonna leave the rice water in my hair either before I actually shampoo it. Regular water. That is so much water coming out. Rice water. I'm about to be drenched by the end of this video. Wow. Massaging it in. I can feel the roots reverting right now. Like back here, look, it's starting to revert some. It's taking a minute, but it's starting to revert. Okay, let's move to the other side. I'm probably gonna leave my rice water on for about 20 minutes. And then I'll just like go ahead and shampoo my hair. But I wish I made way more rice water. Like I didn't make enough. So I'm gonna have to make some more tonight. Because I am gonna be doing the 10-day rice water challenge. Regular water, ice water. Make sure I get it in my roots. I'm not nervous yet if it's heat damage or not, because I still gotta shampoo. And when you go from straight hair to curly hair, you always want to shampoo with a shampoo that has sulfate in it at least 2 times, so your hair can really, you know, see, you can see it starting to poof. It's starting to revert. Okay. Look at this side, y'all. We're really watching my hair revert. It's curling up. It is curling up. Ooh, this part really reverted faster. It's getting curly. Okay. This is how this side's looking so far. And remember, we haven't even shampooed it to really get the product out of my hair. We're just watching it revert with just rice water. So I'm gonna apply a little more rice water. We ran out of juice. Nope. It just doesn't want to spritz. There we go. Oh, we're struggling. We're struggling. Come on. That's crazy. It's really working. Like, I can't usually do this. I have to use like shampoo, which I'm still gonna use. But this is just even more like making sure your curls bounce back. So I'm not sure how I'm styling my hair today. It might be a wash and go. You don't want your curls looking all damaged in a wash and go. Or I might be doing this drawstring curly ponytail thing. We'll see. Okay. I need this part to bounce back a little more better. Ooh, okay, my arm's getting tired. Okay, let's look at the back. Look at my hair reverting. Oh, this is so cool. And I did get a trim, so this hair in the back is gonna start being more curlier again. That's looking a little good. The overall shape is starting to look better too because of the trim I got. Oh yeah. Okay, this part needs to curl up more. It probably will when I shampoo. Okay, I'm gonna stop applying products in that section. Alright, so I'm gonna leave it. Wow. Okay, let me just talk about how my hair feels. With this in it, my hair feels really good. Like, it doesn't feel dry at all. Like, the rice water is making it feel like it has a layer of moisture on top, which making it feel really good. Like, it feels manageable right now. Like, I feel like I'm gonna have an easy wash day. So as y'all can see, my hair pretty much reverted back. Like, you don't see any extreme straight pieces, any heat damage. Like, my hair actually looks really, really good. It looks really good, actually. So I'm actually gonna shampoo it and show you guys what it looks like on freshly washed hair, no rice water, and then that will be all. So yeah, I'm excited to see my results. Okay guys, so I just got done rinsing out the rice water and shampooing my hair 2 times. Now, I left the rice water in my hair for about 30 minutes, and as soon as I left it in, before I rinsed it and washed it out, my hair felt stronger immediately as usual. So it definitely helped rebuild the protein in my hair. And also, even after I shampooed it right now, it just feels really, really strong. So I am about to go in with a nice moisturizing conditioner so I can have a nice protein moisture balance. But look at my curls. I think they bounce back pretty good. This is fresh, no product on it, just freshly shampooed hair. And I think my curls bounce back really, really good. So I feel like rice water is really good also if you want your hair to bounce back from just putting heat on it. So yeah, I feel like after a few more uses of the rice water, this should tighten up a little bit more in this area. This area, it's not too bad though. My back is always more loose because it was actually a little bit more looser than this before I got my trim. And all this coming in is like really kinky. So I'm having really good growth. But yeah, y'all, these are my results from reverting my hair with rice water. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, hit subscribe, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post a new video. And I'll be seeing you guys all in my next one. Bye guys.
Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I been on the road, I don't care why.